How's it going, guys? So I made a little bit more of an advancement with my drone build that I'm working on, and I know most of you guys are here for 3D printing and mining, Bitcoin mining stuff, but I'm also working on the drone, and I think it's kind of cool, so I just wanted to show it off a little bit more. I got this, the initial measurement unit, the IMU, today from Amazon, and it is connected to my phone right now. And you can see that it's able to measure. Up here is the acceleration, and then down here is just the gyro, so just the gyroscopic movement. So you can see as I move it around, the acceleration is able to tell what direction it's going in. You see it's changing colors as I'm moving the motion at the top. Also, if I just hold it still, and if I turn it sideways, that shows the acceleration of gravity. So, and then it flip-flops like that. So it's kind of cool. And then, of course, the gyroscope, the gyro picks up movement too. I like to just kind of move it around in circles and make it do a whole bunch of colors. Anyway, it's just kind of cool because, I don't know, it's just fun to build something that actually works and connects to my phone. And then this is basically all of the computing internals of a drone. So you could actually, this is the same, very similar software and the same kind of technology that all kinds of self-balancing stuff uses, like even the hoverboards that people ride around. This is the same kind of software that those use. So anyway, just want to show that a little bit. And thanks guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the like if you don't mind. It helps out a lot with the channel. And I'll be making some more. I think I'll probably start a schedule soon and just kind of alternate days of 3D printing and mining, and then just do some fun stuff like this once in a while. So thanks you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.